CS2. This is the original flat cable. We have full signal. We have full signal for orange. Okay. So we open the phone now. This is the original flat cable that we have in the phone. The original one. This is the flat cable that I bought from the seller. That's it. We put it in the phone. And with the antenna, this is the antenna. And close the phone. This is the SIM card. And turning on.
في تلفون بلا شو
الصين. This is phone. We have only 2 signal bars. Only 2 with orange. So we have a problem in the signal with this flat cables. Only one. Only one. Sometimes it's also gone or the signal will gone. No signal. Orange and no signal. So the flat cable, all the flat cable is not good. All of them like this.